Let me show you how to create short cat stories. Before proceeding, I will show you one short video which I have created. Let's start. Open ChatGPT on your browser and describe your prompt as I shown you on screen. You can also try to create your own stories using this format. Press enter. ChatGPT will provide you story as per scene. Now open new tab and search for Bing.ai. Select images. Then select create. Go to ChatGPT tab and copy first scene. Paste it here. You can edit prompt to get better results. Click on Create. These are some results we got. Similarly, follow the same process to generate other images as per scenes. Sometimes you will not get better results. Try improving prompts to get better results. I have also created some extra images. After generating all images, start downloading selective images. After downloading all images, open Microsoft Clipchamp to create video. Click on Create a new video. Select aspect ratio. I am selecting 9:16. Now import images which we have generated. Add all images in timeline. Make sure each image should be of at least 3 to 5 seconds. After arranging it, select all and copy it. Then paste the same images below it. Resize the background image. From Effects, add Blur Effect. Follow the same process to all images. Now we will add transition. Set the duration of transition. Then go to Content Library. Select images and select black color to add end screen. Adjust it accordingly. Add transition in end. Now entire play video. You can add music as you wish. After completing all process, export the video in which resolution you want. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.